I'm Jeffrey Cook, First Attack Engineering. We just got done building this cool truck for Monroe Township, Malinta, Ohio. It's an F350, four-wheel drive. We got 200 gallons of water on it, and we've got a Darley pump. In the interior, we did a nice center console. It's got an area for your clipboards and maps. And then we've also got a remote monitor on the front, so we've got the controls here, the radios, the siren, and the switch panel. Everything's contained in this center console. We also did an air pack back seat, so two guys can be suited up in air packs when they're en route to a scene, whether it's a mutual aid or whether they're actually using the truck to go to a structure fire. Pretty cool how we were able to integrate the air packs into the factory seat. Leaves a lot more room than a lot of the aftermarket seats. Here we've got one of our First Attack brush guards. This has our integrated spray nozzles for the ground sweeps. We've incorporated an Akron front mount monitor. It's remote control from in the cab. And we've got provisions for a remote mount winch. It can be in a carrier. They can unplug it, unpin it, use the winch front or rear, and they're able to store the winch in this year-round so that you're not trying to find a place to put it. Okay, these guys wanted the ability to spray water out in the field and fight a field fire without the guys being outside of the truck in an unsafe zone. So what we've incorporated here is a jump line. It's right here, easy access. We've got it short enough they can't catch it with the tire and yank it out, but the guy can grab it when he's ready to go, jump in the cab, and now he can fight fire from inside the cab. Easy access to the driver to talk to him or slap him if you think he's going too fast. But this will work out really good in most field fires. We got a Darley 2BE 23 horse pump right here. It's capable of about 390 gallons a minute. This pump is awesome. It does a lot more than what an average brush truck can. One of our other neat features is underneath the tank we have storage here for all your rakes, shovels, your long tools. You can get them under here, out of sight, out of mind until you need them. Also got a Scotty Around the Pump foam system with a 5-gallon foam cell.